How to cash out on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Gig. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cash out on the Cash App. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now open the Cash App on your iPhone or your Android and go to the banking tab by tapping the icon in the bottom left corner. This icon actually looks like a house or a bank typically. So underneath your cash balance, tap on the button on the right side that says cash out. So as you can see over here, as you do that, the cash out menu will pop up with the full balanced amount auto selected for transfer. If you'd like to transfer less, use the touch screen to type in the amount. Once you've decided how much you want to transfer, tap the cash out button, which is at the bottom of the screen. After you've done that, a pop-up will appear asking how you would like to deposit the money. If you select standard, the money will take 1 to 3 days to appear on your account. If you need the money immediately, you can tap instant for a 25-cent fee, which means this fee is also going to depend upon the amount of money you're actually transferring. And as you do so, you would have successfully cashed out on Cash App. That's all it takes to cash out on Cash App to your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.